you for giving us the opportunity to demonstrate a prototype for the hackathon. My friends Varun, Swarna, Shubham, and I, Tanay, are presenting our hackathon project, Moniez. Moniez is a personal finance and wealth management app that helps you manage your finances and diversify your portfolio based on your expenses, saving patterns, and current investments. The tech stack that we are using for this prototype is React Native for the mobile app and Django for the backend. The tools we have used are Postman for testing, Figma for UI design, and VS Code as our integrated development environment. Now we're coming down to the problem statement. The problem statement for this project is to leverage the account aggregator framework provided by the Bank of Baroda to change the lending and investment landscape in India. Our proposed solution is to build a personal finance and wealth management application. Managing finance is an art and not an easy one given the current economical and social climate in India. We want to help our customers make better investment decisions and master the skill of managing their finances. Monies is a simple and secure financial application for consumer with a four-step onboarding process. It acts as a super app to build your financial portfolio creatively and consolidate all financial decisions in one app. Users are provided with rich and insightful analysis of their spending habits and personalized recommendation to manage and increase their wealth. Recommendations are built using the risk appetite figures provided by the user, and it spans across categories like mutual funds, stocks, cryptocurrency, government, and sovereign bonds, PPF, NPF, and deposits. Here's a prototype which we have built in this hackathon project. Users are requested to authenticate themselves using their phone numbers to get onboarded on our app. This acts as a security feature because it helps us maintain user session and not keep a user logged into the app for an extended period of time. On the login screen, user first enters their mobile number, which is verified using a 4-digit OTP. On successful authentication, the user is directed to the onboarding form. The onboarding form takes the user's profile data like full name, email, and their preferred risk appetite to invest. The onboarding is now seamlessly completed with just 4 clicks. Now the user is directed to the safe website where they can consent to their financial data. Unfortunately, this URL raises a certificate issue on the simulator web browser, so we will initiate the user consent from a systems browser as a workaround. On the safe URL, the user's phone number is autofilled and they are authenticated once again using an OTP. On successful authentication, the user is presented with all their connected bank accounts, demat accounts, and other investment commodities. They can select which of these entities they want to consent to. They are also presented with a time period signifying the validity of consent, and on approval, the user is redirected to the dashboard of our application. The dashboard has four primary entities: the Create Wealth screen, the Analytics screen, Personalized Recommendation screen, and a screen to explore all recommendations. The screen you can see now is a Create Wealth screen. The value the user gains from this screen is to analyze and understand their end of the day monthly balance. We want to educate users to reallocate their savings into investment options that will help them create wealth. Hence, the call to action to redirect them to personalized recommendation screen. The Create Wealth screen also displays the user's current investment portfolio, which includes mutual funds, stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency, and much more. The next screen the user obtains value from is the Analytics screen, which depicts two metrics: users' monthly expenditure and a granular view of their overall expenditure split across categories. The line graph shown here depicts the average monthly spend, and the pie chart here depicts the category-wise expenditure. This category-wise expenditure is divided into multiple aspects like EMIs, utilities, wallet, cash, etc. This helps the user set and achieve financial goals based on their insights, spending patterns. We encourage our users to be frugal and spend wisely to gain maximum benefits out of their investments. The next screen the user seeks value from is the recommendation screen. Here you can see the user is recommended with various investment options ranging from low risk to high risk options curated according to their risk appetite and the debit to credit ratio obtained from the account aggregator analysis. Our recommendation engine combines the risk appetite figures with the debit to credit ratio to categorize the users into various slabs of spending habits. Each slab depicts the percentage of the user's income and saving that is spent. The slab ranges from 0 to 30%, which gives high risk recommendation, 30 to 50%, which gives high and moderate risk recommendation, and 50 to 80, which gives low and moderate risk recommendation. The last one is 80 to 100, which gives low risk recommendations. This helps the user understand investment options that are suitable for their financial health. Users can also directly invest in this recommended option via the Bank of Baroda Capital platform, which aids in the frictionless investing. They can either invest using the existing Demat account of Bank of Baroda or create a new one through our application. The last screen that we have built here is the all recommendation option, which contains all the type of stocks that are there in the market, all the type of mutual funds and bonds, apart from the recommendation that our app Moniez is giving. This tab also contains different categories like mutual funds, stocks, crypto, bonds, FDs, and so on. Finally, the profile screen. The profile screen displays the user's financial data that our application has used. This screen contains name, mobile number, email, date of birth, PAN, bank account, and bank balance of that user. All the data displayed here is obtained from the data the user consented to via the safe URL. While building this hackathon project, we faced few challenges. These few challenges were the certificate issue raised on the safe URL on WebView and some browsers like Firefox and Safari. The inconsistent key value pairs in the JSON payload returned by the AA API. Given that this is simply a prototype for a proposed solution, we intend to revise and enhance these features to deliver maximum value to our users. Some of these enhancements includes allowing them to change the risk appetite value after onboarding, withdrawing consent when they desire, predict the user's financial health, setting and achieving financial goals, and easing the process of applying for Demat accounts. We also suggest optimizing the recommendation engine to educate users on the investment patterns, followed by other users of the same age, income level, and financial goals. These are the resources that we have used in our hackathon project. Thank you, and we are eager to connect with you to discuss your thoughts and ideas.